plantains are all done. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. It's rainy and kind of gloomy outside, but nevertheless, I'm still feeling blessed. So I will be making some coconut shrimp some curry coconut shrimp for my family dinner this evening. I will be serving that with some vegetable rice, and I will try make a drink on the side. Let's get started. So in this bowl I have some black shrimp, but because shrimp is like 3 minutes cook, I will cook the rice first. So I have here a bowl of Grace coconut milk. So I'll put some of the coconut milk. I'll be using a pound of jasmine rice. For the rice, I am just chopping some scallion. Just one piece of garlic. So as you know guys, garlic is very good for especially cholesterol. Garlic is good, and garlic is good, very good for high blood pressure. So in this bowl I have the green peas, carrot and corn. I'll add some butter. And I'll add some salt. I'm using the pink salt. And now I'll let it come to a boil, and then I will add the rice. In the meantime, I will start cleaning my shrimp. These shrimp, they are already deveined. I'll just do my final cleaning on them. So see, the coconut have now boiled down to custard. So now I will be adding the rice. This is very rich, look rich and creamy. Okay, tastes nice already. Now I'll just give it a stir, just to make sure the beans are evenly inside the rice. As soon as this comes to a boil, I will reduce the flame. I'll just continue cleaning these shrimp. Now guys, the rest of the coconut milk, I will put this one to boil separately for the shrimp. So in go with the coconut milk. Not really gonna add any water to it, maybe just a little to clean the bowl. I'm using here some all-purpose seasoning, and I'll use some Cajun seasoning, a little turmeric powder, And this is just 4 pegs of garlic. I'll chop it fine. I'm leaving the ginger big so after cooking I can remove it. I use just half of medium-sized onion. I'm putting like 2 spoons of olive oil. This way the season will penetrate the shrimp fast when you use olive oil to season. Now I'll get my pot on to first burn the curry. I'm using better pot curry because I love better pot curry, the best curry ever. I can smell the aroma of the garlic and the ginger. Smells nice in the curry. So I'll just leave this here to cook for approximately 3 minutes. So now I will just check the rice. Jasmine rice. So now I'll add the coconut milk, nice and thick. Nice and thick and creamy. That's the effect of the coconut milk when you really boil the coconut milk down to custard before you add it. Some people would boil this down, put the shrimp and the coconut milk, everything together, but I prefer personally to boil the coconut milk separate down to custard, then I will add it to my shrimp. That way I feel like it tastes nicer to me. Then I will add my Scotch bonnet pepper. And I will just leave it there to simmer just for maybe a minute or so. Then I will do some cleaning. So now I will just start frying my plantain. Oh my God, this is so nice, and it's peppery. Okay, my plantains are all done. So now for the juice, guys, I'm gonna do a green apple and some kale and lemon juice. So I'll just wash these first. So guys, I have this lovely pepper. Now I'm gonna carve this pepper just to use it for plating of the shrimp. And now I'll put this in some ice water. Okay, it's my final check. Rice all done. So now it comes to an end and I'm gonna be plating and eating. You see? There you have it guys, all done. A lovely plate of curry coconut shrimp and some vegetable rice. Oh my god, look at this tomato, it's radiantly red. The peppers, on the spot, I thought about making a design with the pepper and just serve the shrimp into the pepper as a bowl. Love it, love it, love it. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So now for the moment of truth. So this is my green juice. This consists of kale, lemon, ginger and green apple. All of these ingredients in this juice is good for your gut health. You know, kale is good for 1001 things. So everything here is good for your gut health. Guys, thanks for watching. Again, please share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.